So, hi everyone. Let's read this question. Study the following diagram in which the path of a ray of light is passing through a glass prism traced by four strands PQRS. Here are the four strands. Okay. So, actually, you know very well how to draw the incident ray through a prism. For example, light is going to incident in a prism. You will draw the normal like this. So, rather than going straight, it will bend towards normal. Okay, it will hit the next surface. Then again, rather than going straight, it is going from denser to rarer. It will bend away from normal like this. Okay, clear? And all these are like this is what you are looking only this now. Actually, it is like this. If you ask me, sir, what is this? It is like this. Prism is just like this. Okay, this is our prism. So what actually you are looking? Light is going to incident on this face, and it is coming out from this face. Here we are looking only this front view. From front, it will look like this. Okay, clear? So which option is correct? If you look at all the following diagrams, P not correct, Q that is correct. This is also not correct. This is not. So option Q, option B. Thank you so much.